Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I created this cloud eyeshadow tutorial. I had a lot of fun with the bottom lashes and this color scheme. I really love how it all came out. Anyway, if you would like to see how I achieve this, then please keep on watching. And to prep my eyelids, I'll be taking the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5, and I'm going to press that all over my lid. Picking up the James Charles X Morphe palette, I'm going to take the blue shade, and I'm going to be mixing that with the white, just to create kind of a light blue shade, and then I'm going to set that aside because I'll be placing that on after the purple shade. Taking the James Charles X Morphe palette, I'm going to take that on a small blending brush, and I'm going to mix a little bit of that purple shade with the white just to lighten it a little bit, and I'm going to start packing that in the inner corner of my crease. And I'll be picking up a blending brush that's clean, and I'm going to blend out the purple. Now that I've blended out the lilac shade, I'm going to take that same brush that I used with the white and the blue from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to start packing that into my crease. Once I've blended that blue shade, I'm going to take a darker blue from the James Charles palette as well, and I'm going to start adding and blending that into the outer corner. And I took some micellar water and cleaned off my lid so I can start cutting out my cloud. And I'm going to take the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, the white base, and I'm going to start cutting out my clouds. Picking up the James Charles X Morphe palette, again, I'm going to take the orange shade on a little flat brush, and I'm going to start packing that right in front of the blue, and then I'll be taking a yellow shade from Sugarpill in the shade Buttercupcake, and I'm going to stamp that in front of the orange. And now taking Sugarpill's eyeshadow in the shade Tako, I'm going to take that same brush I used to cut my clouds out, and I'm going to go ahead and use that white eyeshadow just to set my clouds. Now that the clouds are set, I'm going to take the same brush that I used for the yellow and the orange, and I'm just going to bring that back just a little bit and bring it into the white. And then I'll be taking a little bit of the hot pink shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to place that kind of between the orange and the blue just to create kind of a pinkish tone within that. And I'll be kind of going back and forth with all the shades and also be taking and deepening the blue on the outer corner. And I'm just going to make sure those are all blended to my liking. And for my lower lash line eyeshadow, I'm going to take the blue and the dark blue on the outer corner. And then for the inner corner of my bottom lash line, I'm going to take the purple. Picking up some craft glitters I got from Michael's, I'm going to add that to my inner corner, and I also did my other eye off camera. Picking up dodo lashes in the style D327, and I'm going to go ahead and place those on. And if you would like to purchase dodo lashes, you can go to their website and use my discount code RosaXRobles if you would like to purchase any, and you can get some money off and support me while you're doing it. So thanks. And I'll be taking my NYX Jumbo White Liner in the shade Milk and adding that to my waterline, and I'll also be placing mascara on my top and my bottom lashes. Okay, so this part is optional. I went ahead and cut up an old pair of eyelashes that I had, and I placed two of the longer eyelash pieces on the outer and center portion of my under eye, and then I took the shorter piece and added that closer to the inner corner of my eyelash. And then I don't know, I just really love how this all looks. You don't really have to do this. I just really love how the bottom lashes look with this look. And I went ahead and applied my Amrezy X Anastasia highlighter. And I'm going to go ahead and do a little star stamp, and then I'm going to elongate the sides. And I'm just going to do a regular black one today. Picking up the NYX Brown Cocoa Lip Liner, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and then I'll be filling it in with the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton, and then I'll be taking some gloss right over that. And I'll be spraying my face with the Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray, and I'll be pressing it in with my Morphe sponge. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I really had a lot of fun creating this look. I think the bottom lashes really brought the look together. And if you'd like to see any more videos, please comment down below. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, both at RosaXRobles. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.